Hello, welcome to Material Science Revision Series. In this series, we are going to revise 500 plus questions of material science for SSC JEE exams. Each video will consist of 25 questions and will be of 10 to 15 minutes. This is the second video. This series will be beneficial for all AE and JEE exams. So don't skip it and watch till the end. Now comes to our first question. Which of the following materials has the least tensile strength? And our options are option number A, copper, option number B, gold, option number C, silver, option number D, platinum. And our answer is option number B, gold. Next question. Stress concentration in static loading having high influence in dash, and our options are option number A, brittle material, option number B, ductile material, option number C, malleable material, option number D, tough material. And our answer is option number A, brittle material. Next question. The factor of safety defined as ratio of ultimate tensile stress UTS to the working stress is applicable for which type of material? And our options are option number A, brittle materials, option number B, plastic materials, option number C, composite materials, option number D, ductile materials. And our answer is option number A, brittle materials. Next question. Steel whose elements are used for the purpose of modifying the mechanical properties of plain carbon steel is called dash. And our options are option number A, alloy steel, option number B, invar, option number C, stainless steel, option number D, high speed steel. And our answer is option number A, alloy steel. Next question. Raw material for all iron and steel product is dash, and our options are option number A, cast iron, option number B, wrought iron, option number C, pig iron, option number D, steel. And our answer is option number C, pig iron. Next question. Which of the following materials has highest Young's modulus? And our options are option number A, graphite, option number B, copper, option number C, gold, option number D, silver. And our answer is option number B, copper. Next question. If the modulus of elasticity is 0, the material is said to be. And our options are option number A, rigid, option number B, elastic, option number C, flexible, option number D, plastic. And our answer is option number D, plastic. Next question. The capacity of a material to absorb the energy when it is deformed elastically and release that energy upon unloading is known as. And our options are option number A, resilience, option number B, ductility, option number C, toughness, option number D, yield stress. And our answer is option number A, resilience. Next question. Grey cast iron has dash, and our options are option number A, brittleness, option number B, low electrical conductivity, option number C, high compressive strength, option number D, all options are correct. And our answer is option number D, all options are correct. Next question. Materials which show direction dependent properties are called dash, and our options are option number A, homogeneous, option number B, viscoelastic, option number C, isotropic, option number D, anisotropic, and our answer is option number D, anisotropic. Next question, what is the measure of the resistance to localized plastic deformation induced by either mechanical indentation or abrasion? And our options are option number A, hardness, option number B, ductility, option number C, malleability, option number D, toughness, and our answer is option number A, hardness. Next question, which of the following impurity in cast iron makes it hard and brittle? And our options are option number A, silicon, option number B, sulfur, option number C, manganese, option number D, phosphorus, and our answer is option number B, sulfur. Next question, one of the properties of cast iron which makes it unique in its application is its high, and our options are option number A, surface finish, option number B, malleability, option number C, ductility, option number D, damping characteristics, and our answer is option number D, damping characteristics. Next question, the complete phase recrystallization and fine grain structure is obtained in casting, forging, and rolled parts by, and our options are option number A, recrystallization annealing, option number B, normalizing, option number C, spheroidizing, option number D, austenizing, and our answer is option number A, recrystallization annealing. Next question, percentage of carbon in steel is dash, and our options are option number A, 0.1% to 0.8%, option number B, 0.35% to 0.45%, option number C, 1.8% to 4.2%, option number D, 0.1% to 2.0%, and our answer is option number D, 0.1% to 2.0%. Next question, the tendency of material to fracture without appreciable deformation is called dash, and our options are option number A, plasticity, option number B, stiffness, option number C, brittleness, option number D, toughness, and our answer is option number C, brittleness. Next question, percentage elongation measured during tensile testing indicates dash, and our options are option number A, malleability, option number B, creep, option number C, ductility, option number D, fatigue strength, and our answer is option number C, ductility. Next question, while loading, dash material undergoes fracture after large amount of deformation, and our options are option number A, isotropic, option number B, plastic, option number C, brittle, option number D, ductile, and our answer is option number D, ductile. Next question, steel containing perlite and ferrite is dash, and our options are option number A, tough, option number B, hard, option number C, soft, option number D, ductile, and our answer is option number C, soft. Next question, in the TTT diagram of heat treatment for carbon steel dash, and our options are option number A, vertical axis represents temperature on linear scale, and horizontal axis represents time on logarithmic scale. Option number B. Horizontal axis represents temperature on linear scale and vertical axis represents time on logarithmic scale. Option number C. Vertical axis represents temperature on logarithmic scale and horizontal axis represents time on linear scale. Option number D. Vertical axis represents temperature on linear scale and horizontal axis represents time also on linear scale. And our answer is option number A. Vertical axis represents temperature on linear scale and horizontal axis represents time on logarithmic scale. Next question. Match list first, that is property, with list 2, that is characteristics, and select the correct answer using the codes given below. List 1 A. Tensile strength. List 2 First, rotating bending machine. List 1 B. Impact strength. List 2 second, 3-point loading machine. List 1 C. Bending strength. List 2 3rd, universal testing machine. List 1 D. Fatigue strength. List 2 4th, IZOD testing machine. And our options are option number A. A2, B1, C4, D3. Option number B. A2, B1, C3, D4. Option number C. A1, B2, C4, D3. Option number D. A3, B4, C2, D1. And our answer is option number D. A3, B4, C2, D1. Next question. Silicon when added to copper improves dash, and our options are option number A. Machinability. Option number B. Hardness. Option number C. Hardness and strength. Option number D. Strength and ductility. And our answer is option number C. Hardness and strength. Next question. Resilience of material is important when it is subjected to dash, and our options are option number A. Thermal stress. Option number B. Shock loading. Option number C. Fatigue. Option number D. Wear and tear. And our answer is option number B. Shock loading. Next question. Alloy steel containing 36% nickel is called dash, and our options are option number A. Invar. Option number B. Stainless steel. Option number C. High speed steel. Option number D. None of these. And our answer is option number A. Invar. Next question. The process used for relieving the internal stresses previously set up in the metal and for increasing the machinability of steel is dash, and our options are option number A. Normalizing. Option number B. Full annealing. Option number C. Process annealing. Option number D. Spheroidizing. And our answer is option number C. Process annealing. That's it. Thank you for watching.